guys. I'm Joe Kelley, host of Orlando's Morning News on News 96.5 WDBO. It's Joe on the go, and we're out here in Winter Park on the world-famous Winter Park boat tours right now, and we're just starting our hour-long boat tour. We're very excited about this. We've seen a lot of cool sights already, and we're looking forward to seeing the rest of the sights. It's incredibly affordable, it's a lot of fun, and it's a nice chance to get out on the lake.
The Winter Park chain of lakes, as you can get to by boat. It's called Lake Mizell, named after one of the first pioneers who came down from up north. By up north, I mean Gainesville, Florida.
We are all incredibly impressed with the navigation skills of the skipper of our tour boat for getting us down these narrow corridors, these narrow canals that connect the lakes without bumping into anything. And to think about these neighbors that live here and that have these tour boats going through their backyards every hour, twice an hour, I guess, coming and going. But it is pretty cool.
Greetings from Winter Park, Florida. The Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour open every single day except for Christmas. All right, December 25th, we're what?
What, for 38 years?
Closed.
40 years.
Come on down. We start our tours at 10 in the morning all the way until 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock the final, weather permitting. We'll see you soon.
Inside Central Florida, your source for events, theme park news, local eats, and more, streaming 24/7 on the WFTV Now app on your TV.